Hello students, in yesterday's video, we started the chapter Matter in Our Surroundings. Today we are going to see the NCERT text for the same topics we covered in yesterday's video. So the video was all about what is matter, and we started the chapter, we understood what is matter, and today we are going to read the text given in the NCERT regarding what is matter. So starting with the first para. As we look at our surroundings, we see a large variety of things with different shapes, sizes, and textures. Everything in this universe is made up of materials which scientists have named matter. So I hope you are not having any difficulty in understanding the things written here because I have already explained you in a much elaborated manner. The air we breathe, the food we eat, stones, clouds, stars, plants, and animals, even a small drop of water or a particle of sand, everything is matter. We can also see as we look around that all the things mentioned above occupy space and have mass. All the things mentioned above occupy space and have mass. In other words, they both have mass and volume. They have mass and volume. Since early times, human beings have been trying to understand their surroundings. Early Indian philosophers classified matter in the form of five basic elements: the Panchatattva, the Panchatattva, air, earth, fire, sky, and water. According to them, everything living or non living was made up of these five basic elements. Ancient Greek philosophers had arrived at a similar classification of matter. Modern day scientists have evolved two types of classifications of matter based on their physical properties and chemical nature. In this chapter, we shall learn about matter based on its physical properties, chemical aspects, and matter will be taken up in subsequent chapters. So, we only covered till here in that video. So, we understood till here only in that video that what is matter, we understood the concept of matter, and next, I also want you to perform these activities given, like think of these activities and what will happen if we do, because next we are going to read the further chapter. So I want you to see those activities given in the NCERT book, and so please keep on making notes and reading NCERTs, and that's enough for you. All right, thank you.